Assalamu alaikum. I am Munib Arif from SolarFix. Works Nitrox Hybrid Complete Fault Code Guide. F01 DC Polarity Reverse, meaning solar PV positive and negative connection are reversed. Check. Check the polarity of the solar panel cables with a multimeter. Action. Correct the PV polarity before restarting the inverter. F02 DC insulation failure, meaning PV insulation resistance to ground is too low. Check. Check PV cables, MC4 connectors, moisture and damaged wiring. Action. Repair or replace the damaged cable or connector. 03 GFDI failure, meaning ground fault protection has detected a leakage problem. Check. Check PV wiring, insulation and grounding. Action. Find and remove the source of leakage before restarting. F04 GFDI ground failure, meaning a ground fault condition has been detected. Check. Check the inverter earth ground connection and PV insulation. Action. Correct the grounding or insulation problem. 05 EEPROM read failure, meaning the inverter cannot read its internal memory correctly. Check. Restart the inverter and check whether the fault disappears. Action. If the fault returns, professional services is required. 06 EEPROM write failure, meaning the inverter cannot save data to its internal memory. Check. Restart the inverter and observe the fault. Action. If the fault returns, contact a qualified technician. F07 GFDI fuse failure, meaning the ground fault protection fuse may be blown. Check. Check the GFDI fuse and investigate the ground fault cause. Action. Do not replace the fuse without finding the reason for the failure. 08 GFDI relay failure, meaning the ground fault protection relay is not operating correctly. Check the GFDI relay and grounding circuit. Action. Professional inspection may be required. F09 IGBT failure, meaning an internal power IGBT has developed a serious fault. Check. Check inverter temperature and internal power hardware. Action. Shut down the inverter safely and contact a qualified technician. F10 Auxiliary power failure, meaning the inverter's internal auxiliary power supply has a problem. Check. Check the internal auxiliary power section. Action. Professional service is recommended if the fault remains. F11 AC main contactor failure, meaning the main AC contactor is not operating correctly. Check. Check the AC breaker, contactor, coil and control wiring. Action. Repair or replace the faulty component. F12 AC slave contactor failure, meaning the secondary AC contactor is not operating correctly. Check. Check the contactor and its control wiring. Action. Professional inspection may be required. F13 Working mode change, meaning the inverter's operating mode has changed unexpectedly. Check. Check the inverter operating setting. Action. Restore the correct operating mode and monitor the inverter. 14 DC overcurrent, meaning solar PV DC current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check PV strings, solar current and DC connections. Action. Correct the PC configuration or reduce excessive DC current. F15 AC overcurrent, meaning AC current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check the AC load, output wiring and connected appliances. Action. Reduce excessive load and check the AC connection. F16 GFCI failure, meaning ground leakage protection has detected an abnormal condition. Check. Check AC wiring, grounding and leakage current. Action. Find and correct the leakage or grounding problem. 17 Internal overcurrent, meaning the inverter's internal protection has detected abnormal current. Check. Restart the inverter and observe whether the fault returns. Action. If the fault repeats, professional inspection is recommended. 18 AC hardware overcurrent, meaning the inverter hardware has detected excessive AC current. Check. Check the AC load, writing and connected equipment. Action. Reduce the load and have the inverter inspected if the fault remains. F19 Internal hardware failure, meaning an internal hardware or control system fault has been detected. Check. Restart the inverter once and monitor the fault. Action. If the fault remains, contact a qualified technician. F20 DC hardware overcurrent, meaning the inverter hardware has detected excessive DC current. Check. Check PV string, DC cables and solar input current. Action. Correct the PV configuration and DC connections. F21 GFDI overcurrent, meaning ground fault current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check PV insulation, grounding and leakage. Action. Find and remove the source of the ground leakage. F22. Emergency crash stop, meaning the inverter has received an emergency or stopped command. Check. Check the emergency stop function and control input. Action. Reset the stop condition only when it is safe to do so. F23. AC leakage transient, meaning a sudden AC leakage or ground fault condition has occurred. Check. Check AC wiring, PV wiring and grounding. Action. Find the source of leakage before restarting the inverter. F24. DC insulation failure, meaning PV insulation resistance is too low. Check. Check PV positive and negative cables against ground. Action. Repair the damaged cable, connector, panel or insulation. F25. DC reverse current, meaning DC current is flowing in an unexpected direction. Check. Check PV polarity, DC connections and wiring. Action. Correct the abnormal DC connection before restarting. F26. DC bus unbalanced, meaning the internal DC bus voltage is not properly balanced. Check. Check DC voltage and related connections. Action. If the fault continues, professional service is required. F27. DC and insulation error, meaning an insulation problem has been detected on PV DC side. Check. Check PV string, cables, MC forced connectors and moisture. Action. Repair the insulation fault before restarting. 28. Inverter 1 DC high, meaning the DC voltage supplied to inverter 1 is too high. Check. Check the solar string voltage and open circuit voltage VOC. Action. Make sure the PV voltage remains within the inverter's allowed limit. F29. AC load switch failure, meaning the AC load switch or breaker is not operating correctly. Check. Check the AC breaker switch and wiring. Action. Repair or replace the faulty component. F30. AC main contractor failure, meaning the main AC contractor has failed to operate correctly. Check. Check the contractor, coil and control circuit. Action. Repair or replace the faulty contractor. F31. AC secondary contactor failure, meaning the secondary AC contactor is not operating correctly. Check. Check the contactor and control wiring. Action. Repair or replace the faulty component. 32. Inverter 2 DC high, meaning the DC voltage supplied to inverter 2 is too high. Check. Check the PV string voltage and solar configuration. Action. Keep the PV voltage within the inverter's specified limit. 33. AC overcurrent, meaning the AC output current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check the AC load and output wiring. Action. Reduce the load and check AC connections. 34. AC overload, meaning the connected AC load is higher than the inverter's capacity. Check. Check heavy appliances and total connected load. Action. Switch off unnecessary heavy loads. 35. No AC grid, meaning the inverter cannot detect the AC grid of the supply. Check. Check the AC breaker and measure the AC input voltage. Action. Restore the correct AC grid connection. F36. AC grid phase error, meaning the AC grid connection or phase condition is incorrect. Check. Check the AC input wiring and connections. Action. Correct the AC grid connection. F37. AC voltage unbalanced, meaning the AC voltage is abnormal or unbalanced. Check. Measure the AC input voltage and check the grid supply. Action. Correct the grid or AC wiring problem. F38. AC current unbalanced, meaning the AC current is abnormal or unbalanced. Check. Check the connected load and AC current. Action. Check the AC wiring and load distribution. F39. AC overcurrent, meaning AC current has exceeded the permitted limit. Check. Check the AC load wiring and output connections. Action. Reduce the load and check the AC side. F40. DC overcurrent, meaning solar PV DC current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check PV strings, DC current and solar connections. Action. Correct the PV configuration and reduce the excessive current. F41. AC over voltage, meaning the AC grid voltage is higher than the permitted range. Check. Measure the AC input voltage. Action. Check the grid supply before continuing operation. 42. AC under voltage, meaning the AC grid voltage is lower than the permitted range. Check. Measure the AC input voltage. Action. Check the grid supply and AC connection. F43. AC over voltage, meaning the AC line voltage is higher than the permitted range. Check. Measure the AC voltage at the inverter input. Action. Check the grid supply and wiring. F44. AC under voltage, meaning the AC line voltage is lower than the permitted range. Check. Measure the AC voltage at the inverter input. Action. Check the grid supply and AC connection. 45. AC over voltage, meaning the AC line voltage is higher than the permitted range. Check. Measure the AC voltage and verify the grid supply. Action. Correct the abnormal grid voltage before operation. F46. AC under voltage, meaning the AC line voltage is lower than the permitted range. Check. Measure the AC voltage and inspect the AC wiring. Action. Correct the low voltage or grid connection problem. 47. AC over frequency, meaning the AC grid frequency is higher than the permitted range. Check. Measure the grid frequency. Action. Check the grid supply and frequency stability. F48. AC under frequency, meaning the AC grid frequency is lower than the permitted range. Check. Measure the grid frequency. Action. Check the grid supply and frequency stability. F49. Grid UDC overcurrent, meaning abnormal DC current is detected on the grid current. Check. Check the grid current measurement and AC connections. Action. Professional inspection may be required if the fault remains. F50. Grid VDC overcurrent, meaning abnormal DC current is detected on the grid current. Check. Check the grid current measurement and AC connections. Action. Professional inspection may be required if the fault remains. F51. Grid WDC overcurrent, meaning abnormal DC current is detected on the grid current. Check. Check the grid current measurement and AC connections. Action. Professional inspection may be required if the fault remains. F52. AC inductor ADC current high, meaning abnormal DC current is detected in the internal AC inductor. Check. Check the internal AC filter and inductor. Action. Professional technician inspection is required. F53. AC inductor B DC current high, meaning abnormal DC current is detected in the internal AC inductor. Check. Check the internal AC filter and inductor. Action. Professional technician inspection is required. F54. AC inductor C DC current high, meaning abnormal DC current is detected in the internal AC inductor. Check. Check the internal AC filter and inductor. Action. Professional technician inspection is required. F55. DC bus over voltage, meaning the internal DC bus voltage is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check PV voltage, battery voltage and DC connections. Action. Make sure the DC voltage is within the inverter's allowed range. F56. DC bus under voltage, meaning the internal DC bus voltage is lower than the permitted limit. Check. Check PV voltage, battery voltage and DC connections. Action. Check the battery DC supply and related connections. 57. AC reverse power flow, meaning AC power is flowing in the wrong direction. Check. Check CT direction, grid connection and power flow setting. Action. Correct the CT or power flow configuration. F58. AC grid U over current, meaning U phase grid current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check U phase current and connected load. Action. Reduce the load and check the AC wiring. F59. AC grid V over current, meaning V phase grid current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check V phase current and connected load. Action. Reduce the load and check the AC wiring. F60. AC grid W over current, meaning W phase grid current is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check W phase current and connected load. Reduce. Action. Reduce the load and check the AC wiring. F61. Reactor A over current, meaning current in the internal reactor A is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check the internal reactor and AC filter section. Action. Professional service is required. F62. Reactor B over current, meaning current in the internal reactor B is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check the internal reactor and AC filter section. Action. Professional service is required. F63. Reactor C over current, meaning current in the internal reactor C is higher than the permitted limit. Check. Check the internal reactor and AC filter section. Action. Professional service is required. F64 IGBT heat sink high temperature, meaning the IGBT power section is overheating. Check. Check the cooling fan, ventilation, dust and ambient temperature. Action. Allow the inverter to cool and check the cooling system.